Coronavirus is spreading rapidly across India, infecting tens of thousands of people each day. The deadly virus has left the country's economy staggered despite lockdown measures being eased across several states. Now let us get you up to date with the COVID-19 data coming out of India. India has once again registered one of its highest single-day surges in new coronavirus cases. And on your screens is India's COVID-19 trajectory for the past 5 days. Since June the 18th, the COVID-19 graph is on the rise. However, in the last 24 hours, new cases of infection has slightly dipped from the earlier record of 15,413 cases. Earlier this week, India recorded over 2,000 deaths due to the virus infection, but the country is seeing a significant dip in fatalities over the past 5 days. And in the last 24 hours, only 445 patients have succumbed to the lethal infection. India's worst affected state, Maharashtra, accounted for 45% of yesterday's COVID-19 deaths in the country. The state also witnessed over 3,000 fresh cases of COVID-19, taking the total to a little over 132,000. Maharashtra also reported more than 6,000 deaths to date. The country's capital, New Delhi, has reported a dip in new cases with 3,000 people testing positive yesterday. But the city has also almost reached its 60,000 mark and has reported over 2,100 cases so far. Another major hotspot is the state of Tamil Nadu. It has registered more than 2,000 new infections for the 5th consecutive day. To date, the state has recorded more than 59,000 cases with over 750 deaths. The Supreme Court of India has given the go-ahead to the annual Rath Yatra in the eastern state of Odisha. The Rath Yatra has been allowed in a restricted manner due to COVID-19 outbreak in the country. The decision comes a week after a 3-judge bench had ordered that the annual event would be suspended this year in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Apex Court has now said that it will leave it to the Jagannath Temple Management Trust and Odisha government to conduct the festival without allowing congregation of devotees. The centre told the Apex Court that tradition of centuries may not be stopped. The Odisha government also told the Supreme Court that it is ready to hold the processions with precautions in place. Earlier, Odisha government had said that it would abide by the court's order on staying this year's Rath Yatra. The Odisha government will be holding the Yatra even though the religious places have not been permitted to reopen before the end of this month. The annual event is now scheduled for the 23rd of June and will last for at least 10 to 12 days. Each year, about 1 million people gather in the state of Odisha to commemorate with chariots and rituals. The festival will be held at a time when there are more than 4,25,000 coronavirus cases in the country. In Odisha, more than 5,000 cases of coronavirus have been reported and 14 people have lost their lives.